Okay, let's do the next problem in the quiz, which is modeled, well, it's the exact same question as number 40 in the text. So this equation here, acetone peroxide, is a powerful but highly unstable explosive that does not contain nitrogen, FYI. It can pass undetected through scanners designed to detect the presence of nitrogen in explosives like trinitrotoluene or ammonium nitrate. Both of these are explosives. That's a fertilizer that can also be explosive, and this is TNT. A lot of sad history around this. We'll talk about that later. But ask me about Noble and his brother who died making this. So here it is. Let's balance the equation. It's a combustion, so it's acetone peroxide plus oxygen, giving you CO2 and H2O. I was balancing the equation. You can see my work here. I started with 1, then I did the 9 carbons, then I did the 9 hydrogens, and then I realized I had an odd number of oxygens, so I just multiplied everything by 2, and I ended up with 2 of these, 21 of these, 18 of these, and 18 of those. So this is my recipe. This next part, a lot of people struggled with this because it said, what pressure is generated in a 2-liter bottle when 5 grams of acetone peroxide is ignited and burned in air? Assume 100% combustion. That means that 100% of this reacts with this to create CO2 and H2O. So we're not actually asking for the pressure of this in the container, we're asking for the pressure of this. And really, it's all about figuring out the number of moles of the compound. So let me show you what I'm talking about. So we have 5 grams of C9H18O6, molar mass is this, and we end up with this many moles of acetone peroxide, okay? Then, knowing that for every 1 mole of, to find the moles of total gas, we know that for every 2 moles of acetone, right, we have 18 moles of CO2 and 18 moles of H2O. That is a total amount of 36 mole of total gases. So for every, so let's figure out exactly how many moles of gases, total gases we have. So I have the moles of acetone peroxide, put it right here, okay? Then I multiply it by my ratio, 36 of total per 2 moles of acetone peroxide, and I end up with 0.405 moles of gas total. This is what we're talking about. It's the moles of these that create all that pressure. That's what a bomb is, really. It just creates a lot of pressure really quickly in a contained space. So we have it. Now we're ready to go. Let's solve for P nRT over V. You know what to do. 13.3 atmospheres. Don't forget to write your units. Cancel everything. It keeps you from getting it wrong. Kelvins cancel. Let's see here. Oh, look. Moles. See, moles cancel. Liters cancel. And kelvins cancel. And we end up with atmospheres. So you got this. Okay. 13.8 atmospheres. That's pretty high.